Nokia Vitech Pro Max full review. First of all, let's begin with the display. In detail, the Nokia Vitech Pro Max spec carry a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED with 4K resolution. Besides, this Nokia device comes with a 16Hz refresh rate, an aspect ratio of 20:9 and pixel density of 395 ppi. Battery-wise, the Nokia Vitech Pro Max handset rocks an 8000 mAh battery box that supports fast wireless charging. How about the hardware of the device? Under the hood, the Nokia handset takes power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G chipset. Furthermore, the Nokia handset is coming to run on Android 11 as the operating system. You are looking for memory department. The Nokia device packs 12GB 16GB of RAM and 3 ROM option, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB of inbuilt storage. It has a micro SD card to upgrade the storage up to 512GB. Let's move on the optic system. The Nokia Vitech Pro Max camera packs quad lenses on the back. It consists of a 64MP primary lens plus 5MP secondary sensor, 2MP macro plus 2MP depth sensor. Back to the front, this smartphone rocks a single 32MP lens for taking selfies. Nokia Vitech Pro Max release date and price. For now, we have not heard any official news about the arrival of this smartphone. We expect to meet the Nokia Vitech Pro Max at the end of year. Regarding the cost, the Nokia Vitech Pro Max price begins from $454 USD, Rs 33,707 Indian rupees.